In the heart of a whispering moonlit forest, there lived a dragon named Emberly. Emberly was not your typical ferocious dragon, breathing fire and scaring villagers. She was gentle and curious, with emerald green scales that shimmered in the night like scattered stars. One quiet evening, Emberly tiptoed through the trees, searching for magical moonflowers. These rare flowers only bloomed when the moon was full and sparkled with all the colors of the rainbow. Emberly wanted to collect their petals to decorate her cozy cave. As Emberly crept along, she heard laughter drifting from the edge of the woods. She peeked past a fern and saw 3 children, brave Mia, clever Tom, and shy Oliver. They were playing hide and seek, never guessing a dragon watched nearby. Emberly's heart thumped with excitement. She wished she could join their game, but she worried she'd frighten them. So she devised a plan. With a quiet puff, Emberly sent a trail of moonflower petals gently swirling toward the children. The petals twirled and tickled, making the children laugh even louder. Mia saw a flash of gleaming green and gasped. "Did you see that?" she whispered. Tom, who loved mysteries, nodded. "Let's follow the petals," he said. Together, the 3 ventured deeper into the forest. They wandered until they reached a moonlit clearing and oh, there stood Emberly, glowing gently under the moon. Her eyes sparkled with kindness, and her scales reflected every color of the moonflower petals. The children paused, a little nervous, but Emberly knelt and offered them a basket of moonflowers. "Would you like to play hide and seek with me?" she asked softly. Mia, Tom, and Oliver realized Emberly was friendly, not scary. They grinned, and from then on, the dragon and the children played together every full moon. Emberly always found the cleverest hiding spots, and with her help, the forest glowed brighter than ever. And so, in the heart of the moonlit forest, Emberly and her new friends discovered the magic of playing together, turning every night into an adventure filled with laughter and shimmering petals.